How to use ElevenLabs Text-to-Speech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use ElevenLabs Text-to-Speech for creating realistic AI voiceovers. Start by logging into your ElevenLabs account and navigating to the Text-to-Speech section. Type or paste your script into the text box, then choose a voice from the list or customize a new one. You can adjust voice settings like tone, speed, and emotion to match your project. Once you're happy with the settings, click Generate to continue your voiceover. Finally, download the audio file for use in your projects. Now that you know how to use ElevenLabs Text-to-Speech, you can produce professional-sounding voiceovers quickly and easily.